So I just opened up this fruit and it's Cibana because I'm planning on using this container to place all the seeds in there for growing later on or to donate or whatever. But a lot of us, what we do is we remove all the seeds and guess where we put them? In the trash can. So what I was thinking, instead of you guys throwing them away, throw them outside. What is out there in nature that loves seeds? You guessed it. Birds. Throw them out there. Birds will eat them. They will love them. They will love you. And they'll take them somewhere and plant them. Probably.